Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how I made these cheesy rigatoni noodles. Look, ooh, baby. So let's get into it. It was so delicious, and I paired it with a salad. These are the cheeses I'll be using. That's my butter, my garlic, my spicy girl, of course, salt, half and half, and my rigatoni noodles. I'm going to start grating my cheese. I'm going to grate about 4 ounces of each cheese. And I'm going to put them to the side. You can definitely switch up your cheeses if you prefer. So I'm going to build a salad. It's so simple, easy, very few ingredients. I'm just using what I have available. I'm using some mixed greens, some cherry tomatoes, some crispy jalapenos, which is my favorite thing to add to salads. It's so good, and it gives that little bit of heat. And some tortilla strips, and that's the salad. I mean, it's a salad. So let's move on. So I'm going to strain my noodles, of course. Make sure you follow the directions on the back of your package, and you're good to go. Next, you're going to melt some butter just like this. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so I will never leave you guys hanging. Oh, I forgot to show the flour, but you do add flour to the butter once it's melted. You want to cook that out for about 1 to 2 minutes just to get the raw flour taste out. I totally forgot to add my garlic, y'all, so I added it after the flour. However, you can do it before or after. It still cooks down. Next, you want to add your half and half just like this. Mix, 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 because you don't want no lumps in your little sauce. So make sure you guys mix that up really, really well. And then I'm going to season it up, and then I'm going to move on. Alright, so now I'm just going to add my cheese right down in here. The 4 ounces of each cheese, because you want it nice and cheesy. This is a cheesy noodle recipe. So you want to add all your cheese just like this. You want to turn your heat off. Make sure you taste this with salt and pepper and mix it up. And that's pretty much it for the cheese sauce, you guys. So next I added my noodles, and now I'm just going to mix it in. Look how cheesy. I cannot. Y'all know I don't make mac and cheese like that as much as I used to, but baby, when I do make it, I shows out. So this is how it looks. It looks so good. I do want to brown it up a bit on top, and so I'm going to put it into my individual little ramekins. Now, somebody asked me one time, why do you keep using these little ramekins? Well, for one, it helps me with portion control. It might look bigger on camera, but they're actually really tiny. I got them from Amazon, and it helps with portion control. So each little ramekin probably holds maybe a cup of the noodles, and I just pile it high with some more cheese just like this. You know, of course, this is not a healthy dish, but it still helps with portion control. So this is what it looks like. They came out nice and bubbly and brown and cheesy. That's the salad. I'm using the Olive Garden salad dressing, and I'm just going to pour it over the salad just like this. Just a little bit. You don't want to drench it. And this is what it looks like, you guys. And this is dinner tonight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It was so easy to make. I hope you guys liked it. And if you try it, let me know what you think. And I'm about to put my fork right down in here, and look, I can't. Somebody better make this recipe. Okay? I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye, y'all.